Hello wood turners and makers, and a warm welcome back to my channel. Right, if you remember last week you had to vote between 1 and 2. Well, I counted up what the vote was and it was this one that won the vote, which is the number one, the piece of sycamore off last week's project. So let's get this on the lathe and see what I'm going to do with it. So we'll see it at the lathe. Okay then, right, so what I have to do is that piece that was sticking out like that, I've had to saw that out, because as I start turning this round to get my basic shape of what I'm going to be doing, it'll just get turned away anyway, so, and it's easier to cut it off with on the bandsaw than using the tools on it. So without further ado, let's start making a shape out of it. Put it to about 500. It is now looking better as we go along. I'll reduce that, so let's just clean that up now. Put a couple of lines in it. And that's it. Right. Just carry on with this now. Just want to go in a touch more. So I'm going to change my sensor so I can bring that up. That will give me a bit more support on the piece, while I'll just take them down now. That's it. Right, we're going to have a go now. Just chopping them up a bit now, getting them a lot leveler. So this is a bit too high for that. Right, so this will be quite a lot of, as you can see, there'll be quite a lot of air turning on this, just so I can level them up. Just check that, make sure that's okay, and that is how I want it. See if we level, yeah, touch that, that is perfect now. So I've got them two wings now level together. So we'll have a go cleaning this up now. That's a bit better, that can be rubbed down now. Right then, I want that to go in a bit there. Our pointing tool. Just a bit of a feature in there. Right, so I'm going to give this a good sanding down a bit. Just do them wings again. Need to just tidy them wings up. That is it. Get that out of the way, because I'm going to give this a right good sanding down, because of all that there on it. See if I can get rid of it, or get it looking a bit better. It's not going to be perfect. A lot of this I'll have to, the wings, probably power sanded it all down. I won't put you through that. You all know what it detail, so once I've done that I'll come back to you. Okay, and welcome back. Right, I started with the sanding. I did start at 80 grit so I could get them sanded nice and smooth there, and then I went right down to 240 grit on it. So that is now all sanded down, there's no sharp edges on it, and it's nice. So we're going to put some sanding sealer on it now. Okay, and welcome back. Right, now that's all done now. Sanding sealer on. I've put some Yorkshire grit on as well, and really give that a good buffing off. So now we're going to put some shellac on. It's a quick and easy finish to put on, and I can get on with the rest of it then on the inside. That's it. You all know the process, what I'm going to do with this between each coats. So I'll put a couple of dozen coats of that on, and once I've done that I'll come back to you and I'll get it off the glue chuck onto the chuck, and then I'll show you what's happening on the front side of it, or the top, or so I'll speak to you again then. Okay, and welcome back. Right, it's off the glue chuck now, into the, I'll turn around into the chuck now. So there isn't a lot I'm going to do with that, just sand it down. Now it's not going to be hollowed out for a bowl. It is actually going to be for this, and this is one of them things that they put they tip the hole in it and then put these sticks in, and then it soaks the hole up and gives you a bit of scent in the air. So in theory that is going to go in there like so. So I'll find out that the width for that so it goes in. I'll have a look at that now. That'll fit in lovely. I ain't going to go down much more because it goes thinner there. I do want it to show a lot anyway, so I'll go on that. Now we'll have a look at these wings now and see if we can clean them up. Okay, and welcome back. Right, so I've sanded it again, 180 down to 240. I'm leaving all these little chips and stuff like that in the piece. I think it's a nice bit of character, whether you agree with me or not, but there you go. So sanding sealer on it, then shellac. Once I've done that, I'll meet you by the signboard and we will have a look at it. Till then. Okay, and there we are. that is my finished piece out of the wood that you viewers voted for. Like I says, number one did get the most votes on, so there we are. That is the inside. I've put a bit of a, put a bit of a decorative on it, just so when you look down you've got something to look at. And there you are, so a lovely shape to it. And that is what come out of number one. So, like I says, really it's bringing the new with the old, isn't it? So, right, a big thank you to all my subscribers, and also the new ones that have just come out in the last few days. Big thumbs up to you all, and a big thumbs up for your voting as well. It just shows that people are watching my videos and supporting my channel. It does help us a lot, so please hit that thumbs button for me and that squidgy button. So till the next time, you take care now. Bye now.